Okay guys, we're going to be making a video about Off-Road Outlaws. I have not made any videos of Off-Road Outlaws and I got a little carried away, but we're going to be making a video where we're going to do 2 of the easiest ways to make money. So we'll be getting right into that. So the first way would be go to custom maps. So the name is free gold coins money. So, and it says it's the easiest gold and coin money map. And it's made by this author over on the right. I don't know how to say it. So then, whatever you go by name or anything like that, search it and you'll be able to play this map. So I'll be getting right into it right now. Okay guys, we're back. So what you would do is use any vehicle you would like, but I would recommend a fast one. So I'm going to be using my fastest vehicle I've got. So what you would do is go up to here and start trail. So what's going to happen is it'll give you 2k gold and, well, not 2k gold, sorry, 2k money and 20 gold. So a whole bunch of other maps have this, but I recommend this one because the map is very short and you don't have to drive for too long. So you'll get to there and you'll get the 2k gold, the 2k money, and the 20 gold. And then there's this other trail which is the same, just going back. So that's my first way on how to get gold and money easily. Okay, so our second way is going to be going to desert. So you will need to gather some gold or get a whole bunch of XP so you can get into more maps. But I'll be showing you how you can get quick money and gold here in the desert. So, oh, there's lag. Okay, so you'll be seeing boxes. There'll be small ones, which will only give you money, but there's also some that are bigger that will give you money and gold. As soon as I find a money and gold one, or a money one. And also there's lock boxes. It'll show up, it'll show you lockbox and stuff, and it'll say it'll expire in this time, so you have to find it within the quickest time, or else it'll expire within a minute. So you want to get there fast. I will try and find a money box or money and gold box. Okay, I've not found a money box. I know what it is. So if you're finding barn finds, there'll be some cart crates. I'm not going to make any videos on barn finds though, so good luck on finding them. And also what you would do to get money boxes and stuff like that is you just tap on them. And then it'll pop up showing the money and stuff. Okay, this is what I was talking about, one of those lock boxes. It says, a lockbox has been enabled with gold and cash. Find it before it expires. So, you see down there at my speed gauge and stuff, there's a red arrow. You want to follow that and try and get the money box, lockbox. So you want to get there as fast as you can before it expires. Let's see if I can actually get it. This will actually be surprising for me because I've not been able to get any lockboxes so far. Come on, I hope this isn't over this hill. I hope it's just right up top here. I have to go around, so it means I'm not going to get it. I just know it. I've gotten really close to getting some, but they expire before I can tap on it. So I couldn't get the money. Well, it looks like we're not going to be able to get this lockbox. Okay, so I found one of these money boxes. It's not the money and gold one, but it's a money box. So you just tap on it. Let me get closer so I can actually tap on it. So you just done it. So you just tap on it. It'll give you XP and money. And sometimes it'll give you gold if you get the better version. So that's today's episode on the two easiest ways to get money. Bye. And don't forget, like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.